Hello friends, welcome to BNXpert. Today we are going to discuss Frame tool. Its shortcut is K. It is used to create a placeholder frame which you can fill with image. Let's click and drag to draw a frame. A frame layer is created in the layers panel. There are two thumbnails. The left one is for frame and the right one is for image. Since there is no image in the frame, the right side thumbnail is blank or white. To place an image into the frame, go to the local drive, select a picture, then click and drag it onto the Photoshop software. Don't release the mouse button. Place it onto the frame and release. Now you can see in Layers panel, the thumbnail also contains an image. There is another easy way to place an image into the frame. Go to File menu, select Place Embedded, select a picture you want, click on Place, and the image is placed into the frame. Look at the border around the frame, which is in grey color. Means you can click and drag the image to move it inside the frame. In this mode, we can transform the image inside the frame using Ctrl T. Resize the image. Press Enter key. When you double click on the image, the border will turn blue. Now if you click and drag the image, it will move the image as well as the frame. In this mode, if you transform the image, it will be applied on the frame also. Double clicking the image again, the border will turn grey. At this point also, you can simultaneously move the image and the frame. For that, click on the edge of the frame. It brings you the transformation controls. Now, click and drag the edge. See, it moves the image and the frame simultaneously. If you drag these controls around the frame, it will resize the frame, not the image. If you drag from a corner, you can use Shift key to scale the frame in proportion. To switch back to the grey mode, just click on the image inside. To delete the image from the frame, click on the image thumbnail on the Layers panel. Press Delete key. When you work with Frame tool, by default, the rectangular frame is selected. There is another option for Elliptical Frame. It gives you an elliptical frame. You can use Shift key to draw a circular frame.
Time is so subjective that when you enjoy doing something that you do, you don't get to know that you're working so hard.